Hey guys, it's Brian from the Train Seekers, and I hope everyone is doing well. This is my in-scale layout update number 8 for progress on my early Conrail / Lehigh Valley Reading Railroad layout. I've been doing a lot of trees, never enough trees on a layout, right? So I've been focusing my attention right now on just putting more trees up around my mountain and putting more foliage and some other details around the mountain. So it's come along nicely. I think it looks pretty good. And of course, I always appreciate any feedback you guys have or comments. So just let me know. So again, not much has been done on this end. But down here towards my mountains, I've added quite a few trees. And like I said, I'm still not done. I have a bunch of deciduous trees that I'm working on, as well as more conifers. And of course, more bushes I have to put in yet, but I like how it's looking. My tunnels are coming along. And I have a retaining wall. I still have to put some ballast around the track shed and some more details along the tracks. But yeah, other than that, it's looking pretty good, I think. So again, if you got any comments, just let me know. I still have to turn around my 1 yard yet to make it face the other direction, but that's coming soon. All right, so let's run some trains. I just got this new Kato Canadian National GE General Electric engine. So this is my ethanol train. Well, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I have a long ways to go, but I am making progress. So maybe when update number 9 comes out, I have a lot more done. So again, happy rail fanning, and thanks for watching, and take care.